Restoration of a 1970s Grand Suzuki vintage. Detached bridge and bulging body successfully saved. This is a restoration project of a 1970s vintage Grand Suzuki guitar, focusing on a detached bridge repair. The condition is quite challenging. The body is bulging, and the veneer layers have become soft. I carefully re-glued each veneer layer beneath the bridge to restore its strength and ability to handle string tension. To ensure the glue penetrates deep into the veneer gaps, I used a syringe. This method allows the glue to spread more evenly and reach areas that are difficult to access. Once the glue was properly distributed, I used a DIY bridge clamp that I previously made. It took some trial and error to find the right pressure formula, but in the end, it worked very well. This tool is extremely low cost, yet effective. It can clamp and push the bridge at the same time. The clamping process requires at least 24 hours, but in this case, I will leave it longer due to the bulging body condition. Before working on the bridge, I also pressed the guitar body, because without correcting the body shape first, the bridge repair would not hold properly. Overall, I'm quite satisfied. This simple tool performed surprisingly well on such a challenging vintage guitar restoration.